Welcome back. We're here once again, another episode on Politapod. So today we have a blocked bill, Texas. Court blocks Texas over razor wire. All this stuff. I don't know what it is. Let's get into it. We'll do it together.
A federal appeals court has blocked the Biden administration from removing Texas's razor wire fences along the southern border. This ruling marks the latest development in an ongoing legal battle between the federal government and states over border security. CBS Austin's Jamal Kennedy joins us live outside the Texas state capitol tonight. Jamal, how are Texas leaders responding to this significant ruling tonight?
Well, Texas leaders are saying that this decision is a huge win for the state and border security.
This is an unprecedented attack on our country.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott made this statement to Operation Lone Star agents yesterday.
Honest opinion, it should have never been that bad. People are doing this on purpose because of financial gain, itchy backs, and God knows whatever else. Because the people around that are suffering and going through all this stuff did not want it. We did not vote for none of this. We didn't ask for none of this. And it just spiraled out of control. And they're trying to rush and fix it. And summer, it should have never been that way.
In Eagle Pass. Today on the social media platform X, he was celebrating a ruling given from the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, siding with the state to keep its razor wire fences along the border.
To deter, to deny illegal entry into our country, to help deal with the consequences of it, to make your state more secure.
The ruling says the state...
Yes, we should have it to where you can't go anywhere else and just walk across the border. Some countries will shoot you, but you can't walk across the border and say, hey, look, I'm here now, so take care of me, okay? I used to be a lot, in some of my previous videos, I was a lot, down the middle on things. And I didn't say too much because I just didn't want to start something that shouldn't be there. But, this is all opinion based. So I'm here to give it. And this is what it is. You can comment, put it down in the comments. We can always have a conversation in the comments. Okay. If, whatever you feel. All right, let's continue.
It is entitled to a preliminary injunction because it is seeking only to safeguard its own property, not regulate Border Patrol.
This mission that you're on right now is on your homeland. A mission on your homeland to preserve the safety and sovereignty and security of your very own state.
Back in January, the Biden administration asked the Supreme Court to allow Border Patrol agents to cut the razor wire, saying it impeded agents' ability to get to migrants as they crossed the river. Governor Abbott said,
I don't think that makes any sense. Because if they were the ones who put it there, they should stay out of the way, right? Right. Okay, that sounds like common sense to me.
As in a social media post, President Biden was wrong to cut the wire. Meanwhile, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton says, in part, that the state has, quote, fought every step of the way for Texas sovereignty and security, end quote. In the opinion, the court says the razor wire is necessary to fulfill its duty of patrolling the border to prevent illegal entry into the country.
Of a threat that's not some.
Are they just standing there like, hey, we're coming in, there's nothing you can do about it? While there's a bunch of border agents?
Foreign land, but a threat on your very own border.
Now, the case is one of several ongoing immigration-related legal battles between Texas and the Biden administration, which could see a shift in approach from the Justice Department under President-elect.
What is the point for him to, what is the point? What is the point for trying to let everybody in here? Okay, so I have some speculations, because it's always speculations, because we don't have the complete papers in front of us, the facts, whatever you want to call it. We weren't there. So everything is speculations from everything we see to we hear. We put it together and we come to our own conclusion, right? Good.
Like Donald Trump's second term in office. Reporting live outside the Texas state capitol, Jamal Kennedy, CBS Austin News.
There was no second term, okay? Pass it off to Kamala. Kamala didn't do it right. Okay. So, I got to go with sounds logical. I'm not, I don't know. I don't know. So, but that's all I have for this one. So you can just leave your comments down in the comment section on any of the parts of this video for what you think. But before we go, I'm going to speculate that there is a gain that someone has to get off of this. Now, if you put the whole laptop theory together, okay, we're talking about the Bidens here. You put the laptop thing together, okay, the painting thing together, and the open border, and then you come up with what you come up with. But that's where I'm at. I don't want to go down that rabbit hole because that rabbit hole could just lead and just lead, and you just stay there. And I don't want to stay in the rabbit hole, okay? So, but you put your comments down there. We can have a conversation down in the comments about any parts of this or even the speculations, all right? Come up with your own speculations, and you never know. You never know. So, but make sure you do subscribe to keep me doing this content, because if not, I'm just going to have to do something else. I don't want to do nothing else. Let's do this, all right? Until next time, later.